Treasure.
What's up, y'all? So this is a wig review, y'all. So I am doing a review for the company Dorsanee. So the wig I have today is a 30-inch wig. It's in HD lace, and it came with this stuff right here. So it came with a little manual. It came with 2 HD wig caps, and it also came with a hairband and a brush for your edges. So look, this hair actually is water wave. It's a water wave wig, y'all. So as y'all can see, I'm just going through the motion. Y'all know what you got to do. You got to put your little wig cap on, and you got to mold it to your hair and everything or whatever. So that's what I was doing. I did like the texture of the hair. It was soft. It's really pretty hair. Me personally, y'all, every time I get a wig, I do not keep any of my combs in. I keep one comb in, and that's the one that is in the back. But for the rest of the combs, like the one in the front and the sides, I always take those combs off because I like my wig laying flat. So right here, I was just fitting my you know, wig to my liking. I cut the sides off, my little ear flaps. I cut those off, and I actually went in, put the glue on, and tied it down. So boom. I always use the lace glue or spray, whatever you want to call it, and it does good for me. I actually use some actual tint mousse for the first time on this wig, and it did good for me. It did good for me. I seen it on another video, and so I wanted to try it. So this is me putting on the lace tint mousse, and after I did that, y'all, I actually tied it down. I had to go back afterwards and, use some alcohol and get the little, residue or the rest that was on there. But this is the final result right here. And oh my God, yes, it's giving real bad.